As your New York-based physical therapist, Breo Company sent me these two products. One is the N5 Breo Mini Neck Massager, right here. And then the other one is the Breo Foot Massager. And I've been using this one for more than a week. And also, I tried it on my patients and they enjoyed it, they love it. Especially me as a physical therapist, I'm standing all day, I do documentations, I use the computer. So this is perfect for me. So it's like a real therapist doing the massage. But anyway, the Breo company, it's been around for more than 20 years. And it's a well-known company. I would say the best company in terms of portable neck massager, portable massager, just like the foot massager for the head and for the neck. So I highly recommend Breo products. The good thing about this, it massages the upper back, some of my shoulder muscles right here, and the patients love it. Okay, and I love it too. So let me talk about the product itself. So we have the power button, and we have the switch. You can actually reverse the movements of the machine or the grip, and also the heat and the mode or the power. You can go deeper, you can go light. So this is, so it's easy to use. So I'm gonna actually show you how to use it. So you can just put it right here, okay? And then there's a strap. You can actually pull it, and then you can hear a click. All right, good. And then as you can see, I just press here. Just press and hold for like 3 seconds. And when I'm done with the patient, I'm just doing my paperwork, my documentations, and it actually feels really good. So I want to show you, see how it's working right here. That feels good. And then behind, there's this two like fingers right here, and then it goes all the way right here, maybe like around the upper traps. And this one works in my lower cervical spine area, so you can adjust it and you can walk around it. You're using this while you're walking or you're working or you're doing your meditation. I highly recommend it. As you can see here, I'm using both the Breo Foot Massager and the Breo N5 Mini Neck Massager. And it's really comfortable. It's just very relaxing. And the Breo Neck Massager, it feels like a human hands. It uses rubberized silicone material, and it feels like a real massage therapist or a real manual therapist. The Breo N5 Mini Neck Massager is only 2.75 pound in weight, and you can wear it whether you're at home or in the office. On this one, I'm using it on my patients, and the good thing about this is you can cleanse or detouch the covering, and so you can always use it fresh and clean. The next item is the Breo Foot Massager. I also recommend this. I use it on patients with foot pain or plantar fasciitis and other conditions that causes the patient to experience pain. The good thing about this is a combination of heat and massage. So you have the power button, you have the mode, so it changes the directions of movement while squeezing it, the strength, and again, it's a combination of heat and massage. Perfect combination. So I highly recommend this. I'm gonna show you on my patient. I was using this morning with my patients, and they love it. All right, so I'm gonna show you on the next video. Breo Foot Massager. It has the adapter. It comes with it, with the adapter, and you can actually use for the patients. You can actually bring extra pair of socks, clean socks, and then just put it right here and insert it right here. All right, so power button is right here, and you can actually feel the movements of that massager inside Breo Foot Massager. And if I want to make it stronger, I just press the strength. You can actually see the green light. What I feel is it's more squeezing, and it's squeezing my toes, my midfoot, and I love it. I really enjoy this. And what it does is it improves blood circulation. It actually massages the area, my plantar fascia area, or parts of my plantar fascia. And now I can feel that pressure, and it feels really good. And a combination of heat. Actually, you can just see the light right here. Once it's the light's on, you can start to feel a gentle heat. Maybe it would take around 5 minutes before you feel the heat. And this one, you can use it 10-15 minutes, and you can just relax using it. Alright guys, as a physical therapist, I've seen a lot of patients with foot problem, neck pain, low back pain, but these two products, the Breo Neck Massager, the Breo Foot Massager, I highly recommend this, and 5 stars for me. And if you want to purchase this, it's available through Amazon, and also you can also click the link below. All right, take care. Bye bye. I'll talk to you soon.